Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Dominic here, also known as Nighthawk, and today I got my long-awaited package. Well, long-awaited from 2 days ago. It finally has arrived, my Elgato HD60, and I'll be doing a quick unboxing on it and show you what's in the box. Enjoy. And today I got another package in the mail. Yay! Alright, let's get started and unbox this sucker. And today we got, bloody hell, they did a good job on this box. We got the Elgato Game Capture HD60. Ordered this like 2 days ago. Got this one off eBay and received it just before, and now I'm gonna open this up for you guys. As you can see, still brand new. A beautiful blue box. And another box, and here we go. Here we have the device, nice and small, fits your palm. HDMI output and a HDMI input, the sound, and USB, and I'm pretty sure this is 2.0, sadly not 3.0, but it will do the job. Now we also get a HDMI, oh no, sorry, this is the actual USB cable. Which, as I said before, it's a USB 2.0. It says it here on the cable as well. And here we go. Here we have a HDMI cord as well. So the system is literally ready to use straight out of the box. And a sticker. Elgato gaming sticker. Well, doesn't look like we've got any manuals or anything, so yeah. That's it. It does have a software that you can use, which can be downloaded on the link that's provided on the box. Alright, and here again, here you can see we have a HDMI cord, a USB cord 2.0, and the HD60 Elgato device itself, which is nice and slim, easy to use, very portable, and I'm very excited to use this device. And a sticker just for fun. Alright, now for the people that don't know what an Elgato HD60 is, it is a game capture card which is well known in the YouTube community. This device lets you record your PlayStation, Xbox, Wii, you name it, through HDMI. This is the new card of the Elgato cards. What you do is you have your console, and then you'll plug your HDMI into the device, and then you have a HDMI out, which goes to your TV, so you can see your console screen still, and you can play it on your TV. And then you plug your USB into your computer, and that lets you record what you see in the game onto your computer. Now it does come with a software which will let you select different channels. Obviously you'll use one for your game capture, you can select another one for, say for example, for a webcam, which for example, like in the picture here, you can just put it anywhere in the screen, it's the size, wherever you want it. Put a logo in it, and it has different audio channels, so you can select different microphones for voiceovers, and yeah, it's a very feature-rich software, and hopefully I'll be able to show you very soon some gaming footage I recorded with the HD60 from my PlayStation 4. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel for future upcoming videos. I'll be uploading some footage from a PS4 using the Elgato HD60. It'll be most likely be the Guitar Hero Live game, which I just acquired not long ago. And yeah, I'll hope to see you guys soon. Subscribe, and catch you next time. Bye.